Hey guys, what's up? It's Amena. So today I'm filming in my bedroom. Welcome. I think I made like one video before in here, but normally I don't film in my bedroom. Elias is chilling today. He's in the living room, so you're not gonna see him in today's video. But basically I wanted to show you guys what I've been doing for the past 2 days. We bought a lot of stuff when we were in Ethiopia. We bought a lot of clothes. Elias bought like jeans, a lot of jeans. I bought some dresses and I got a lot of presents and stuff too. So when we came back to the United States, basically I was just overwhelmed because I was like, I have a lot of clothes, like too much. And I'm the type of person, like I can't stand clutter, and I can't stand, like, if I have something and I don't need it, I want it like gone. So I felt like my closet was just too much. I mean, I have a lot of clothes. Like half of the clothes is in my closet back here, but the other half of my clothes is literally in the storage on our balcony. So yeah, basically I spent the past few days cleaning out my closet entirely. So I'm gonna show you guys what my closet looks like right now. I don't think I've ever filmed our closet, but it's right there at the back. I'm gonna go inside and show you guys, but first I want to give a special thank you and a shout out to Poshmark for sponsoring today's video. If you guys don't know, which it's all over social media, so I'm sure you already do, but if you don't know, Poshmark is an app where basically you can buy and sell used clothes or new clothes, accessories, jewelry, handbags. They have a lot of different brands. They have luxury items, so it's a good way to earn some money, especially if you have some extra clothes like I do, and you know, you have clothes sitting at the back of the closet that you know you're probably not going to wear again. So you can actually download the app for free. I'll leave it in the link below. It's the first thing, so just click on that link, sign up, make an account, and then you can start buying and selling things. So let's go. Let me show you guys the closet. This is basically my clothes that I have here. Here's my Ethiopia shirts that I got from Koba. You guys haven't seen me wear this one. This is like a tank top. And then Elias's Ethiopia shirt. And I have matching pants too. Here's the pants, yeah. See, it also has matching pants, but I'm trying to save that because I'm gonna do a photo shoot with this. So yeah, and I have like some like longer clothes over here. Have some sweatshirts. This is really comfortable, really nice. But yeah, you can see I love colors. I'm all about colors. I love girly clothes, so I like dresses. Most of the stuff that I have is dresses and girly stuff because that's what I am. I mean, obviously I'm a girl, but that's my style, is like colorful, bright, and girly. Okay, up here I have my jeans. You guys are gonna laugh because this is all the jeans that I own. It's literally, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this doesn't really even count. I have 4 pairs of jeans because I'm not a jean gal, you know. I love dresses, like I said. Here's some of the more fancy dresses over here. I have my Habesha Khamises. There's one. Here's the other one right there. And I have some more fancy dresses right here. And then yeah, pretty much that's this. On the top is like house stuff. This is all mine, and this is Elias's. On the bottom over here I have some more like sweatshirts and stuff. These 2 coats that I never wear because it's not hot in Texas. And oops, I need to hang that up. Look at me, I'm already messing it up. Yeah, we have some more shirts. These are from Sudan. All of these Karinas basically, which is like a body, it's like skin tight. Have them in like every single color. So these are like Karinas, red, and then I have like some like work clothes over here and some work pants. And then on the top, this is pretty much Elias's section. So this is all he gets, is this row. That's it. So these are all of his jeans. Of course, he's a jean person. He loves jeans. And then his t-shirts and, you know, fancy shirts. And up here, you can see these are my tubs that I got from Sudan that my beautiful mom brought me. I basically didn't know where to put my shoes, so I kind of just lined up all my shoes that I have down here. Most of them are flats because I like flats. I'm pretty tall, so I don't really like to wear heels that much. Plus flats are just more comfortable. I'm gonna show you guys like a few of the things that I'm gonna put on Poshmark for sale, show you how easy it is. So if you want to shop my closet, just click down below and it's AmenaTeferi. So this is one of the things in my closet. Let me show you guys up close. Cause there you go, it's like a rose gold color, it's metallic and shiny. It's a dress that goes to the knees. Hello. It goes to the knees, and this is cute. Actually, I never wore this dress before, so you can see it's really cute. It has a little opening right here too. I never even wore this dress before. I just bought it because I thought that it looks cute, but realistically, I mean, that's too much for me. That's way too much. This is another dress that I bought that I never wore. Once again, it goes to the knees, but it's really cute and I like it, but yeah, I haven't ever worn it, so I might as well. This is another dress that I have. I really love this dress. You guys can't tell, but it's like a fake leather material and it's like metallic and shiny. It's basically tight on the top and then it's an A-line on the bottom. See? I wore this dress one time on my sister's birthday, and after that I realized that I can't wear it anymore because it's really hot. It's fake leather, it's so heavy, and like practically in Texas, no. Okay, so here is another dress that I'm putting in my closet on Poshmark. This is this is like doing the most, you know. This is just basically like a New Year's dress, but it's the most. Like the front, okay, the front is already like that. Then in the back, it has a bow and it's completely open. That's what it looks like. The front is basically this gold sequin to the bottom like that. I was thinking like, let me show you guys. So I was thinking like, you know, I can wear this dress in front of my husband at home, but that never happened. So I'm just gonna let it go. You know, it's so cute though. I haven't worn this dress. Literally, it's been sitting in the back of my closet. So we gotta let it go. Okay, so this is another dress that I have. This is fake leather in the front, and then the back is pretty much open like that on the sides. It's fitted and it's unfit for me to wear. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I have in my closet, my name is AmenaTeferi on Poshmark. I'll leave it down below. And if you guys want to download this app, try it out. It's actually free, so you can download the app. It'll be the first link in the description box below. Go ahead and click on it, sign up, and start buying and selling clothes. So anyways, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all, there goes my texting coming out again. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye. Peace.